First of all, click on the Google form link provided to you. After opening the form, the first step is to select your institution name. Please be very careful at this stage. Make sure you choose only your own institution and do not select any other name by mistake while filling out the form. The next column is student name. Here, type your correct and complete full name exactly as it appears in your school records. After that, you will see the class name section. In this column, type your class in numbers, for example, 10, 9, or 6. Next, you will be asked to enter your section. Type your section clearly, such as A, B, or C, whichever applies to you. Then you will see a question asking if you are already registered in the Huawei course. If you have not registered yet, select No from the options. After selecting No, click on the given link below to proceed with your Huawei course registration. First, click on the Login button on the Huawei portal. Once the login page opens, you will see the registration option. Click on the registration button to begin creating your new account. When the registration window appears, the first thing you must do is select your country. In the country field, type Pakistan and choose it from the list. Selecting the correct country is very important because it affects your account settings and available courses. After choosing Pakistan, move to the next field where you need to enter your Gmail address. Make sure you type your complete and correct Gmail without any spelling mistakes. This Gmail will be used for verification, login, and all course-related updates. Once your Gmail is entered, click on the Send Code button. When you press this button, the system will immediately send a verification code to the Gmail address you provided. Now open a new tab and log in to the same Gmail account you entered in the form. Go to your inbox and you will receive email from Huawei containing your verification code. If code does not appear in inbox, make sure to check spam, promotions folders as well, because sometimes system email may be delivered there. If the code is still not visible, wait a few seconds and try refreshing your Gmail page. Normally, you should receive the verification code within 60 seconds, so do not worry if it takes a little time. If you still have not received the code after waiting, there may be a reason for delay. You might have entered your Gmail address incorrectly or made a spelling mistake. Another issue could be a slow or unstable internet connection. Carefully check your Gmail again, correct any mistakes, and then click on the Resend Code button. System will send new verification code to your Gmail address. Once you receive code, return to the registration page, type it in the required field. After entering correct code, you will be able to continue your registration smoothly. After entering the code from your Gmail, you now have to create your password. For verification, you will need to enter the same password again. It is better to save your password in your mobile phone or in a notebook for safety. The next field is your date of birth. Select the correct day, month, and year in the date of birth column. After that, click on the registration button. A window with the account privacy terms and conditions will appear. Read all the terms and conditions carefully and then click Agree. A new window will now appear with fields such as name, security information, and phone number. Enter your mobile number carefully. Just like you received a verification code in your Gmail, you will now receive a code on your mobile phone through an SMS message. If the code does not arrive immediately, wait a few seconds or check your network signal. Once you receive the code, enter it in the required field to complete this step successfully. Now, Huawei will ask you to review the privacy statement and user agreement. You must read all the privacy details, terms, and conditions carefully before continuing. These terms explain how your data will be used, stored, and protected, so it is important to understand them fully. The terms and conditions are written in detail, so take your time to go through each section. If you want to save the information for future reference, you can copy and store it in your mobile or notebook. This step is essential because it ensures that you clearly understand your responsibilities as a user and how the platform will handle your personal information during your learning journey. After reviewing everything, click on the Agree button to confirm that you accept the terms and conditions. Then click on Continue to proceed. Once you complete this final step, you will receive a confirmation message. Congratulations! Your Huawei account has been created successfully. Finally, after completing all the steps, click on your username to open your account dashboard. In the last step, Huawei will once again show you the final terms and conditions to ensure that you fully understand the rules, privacy details, and learning policies. Read them carefully, and when you are satisfied, click on Agree to complete the final confirmation. This step is important because it helps secure your account and confirms that you accept all guidelines provided by Huawei for using their learning platform. Once everything is completed, your account will be fully active and you will be able to use all available features. Now you can explore the homepage of your Huawei Talent account. Here you can check different categories, browse new learning paths, and see recommendations based on your interests. You can also view course descriptions, skill levels, and certificates offered after completing each course.